morning, everyone. I'm Morning Activities Mason, and this is Morning Activities Mallory.
And today, we're baking with pumpkins.
Pumpkins? I didn't realize pumpkins tasted good.
Yep, they're not just for jack-o'-lanterns. Today, we're gonna make chocolate chip pumpkin mini muffins in the bistro.
Oh, so there's chocolate in the muffins. Yeah, I think we should go test that out.
Hello everyone, I'm Sam, this is Maggie, and today in the kitchen we are making chocolate chip pumpkin mini muffins.
Today, for our ingredients, you're gonna need 1 egg, some pumpkin puree, some salt, oil, baking soda, vanilla, baking powder, cloves, cinnamon, sugar, flour, and mini chocolate chips. So the first thing you're gonna do is take all of your dry ingredients and mix them together in a bowl. While Sam's doing that, I'm gonna mix together all of the wet ingredients. You wanna make sure, and don't put your chocolate chips in yet though, you're gonna fold those in at the end. Now, you're gonna take your wet mixture and your dry mixture and mix them together. Once you have everything all mixed together, you wanna take your mini chocolate chips and fold them in. Now that everything's mixed together, you're gonna take your batter and your mini muffin tin and put the batter in these liners. If you don't have liners, that's okay. Just make sure you spray your pan really good so that it doesn't stick. You're gonna repeat this step until your whole pan is full. Now we're gonna make the streusel topping. You're gonna take butter, you wanna make sure it's at room temperature, brown sugar, and flour. And you're gonna mix it up together until it's a crumbly texture. Now, you're gonna take a little bit of it and put it on top of each muffin. You're gonna set your oven to 350 and you're gonna cook them for 10 to 12 minutes. But make sure you have a parent's help because the oven can be really hot. Now it's time to put the muffins in the oven.
Smells good. All right, it's time to eat. Enjoy.
Mason, you changed hats.
Yeah, I'm a chef now. I bake with pumpkins. Try out my fresh new batch of muffins.
Yum.